Welcome back to another weekly mini vlog. I'm starting this vlog off by getting some sun. I'm pretty vitamin D deficient, so I decided to take a walk outside. Later on that weekend, I went ahead and stopped by the thrift store just to see what they had. Y'all, I'm not going to be thrifting as much anymore until I can completely purge my closet because I have a lot of stuff. These shoes, however, by Gianni Benny, I thought these were really cute. I like the color pink. I just don't like it on me. It looks a little bit too juvenile on me, but I do like it on other people. These Doc Martin boots, these were really nice, and I thought they were a really good price considering how much Doc Martens actually cost retail. These kind of reminded me of like a Tory Burch. What do you call those? Tory Burch Miller slides. Then these Tory Burch shoes right here, these were so interesting and so fun to me. They were kind of pricey. Well, not kind of pricey for the thrift store. They were pricey, but I thought they were a fun shoe. And the trimming in gold was just gave something kind of retro to it. This two-piece pajama set was really nice. I kind of was a little mad that it wasn't in my size because I really did like it. The right person could actually pull that off as a two-piece and wear it outside. I did like this vase. This two-piece, or what am I talking about? Two-piece. This piece of home decor was really nice. I don't even know what that was. Maybe a candle holder or something. Then I went over to the men's section. They had this coat, I think it was by Perry Ellis. In person, this coat was really, really eye-catching. It was a wool blend, and then this leather coat that was by Ashley Stewart. This is from older Ashley Stewart, I can tell by the tag, but it had a peplum like hemline, was really nice, only $7.99, so that was a good price. My neighbor asked me to keep an eye out for her some blazers and some dresses in the thrift store, so I'm just going through to see if there's anything that I thought that she would like. I didn't see anything this day that I thought she would like, so I didn't end up picking her up anything. A couple of them I was kind of like, maybe she would like them, but then I was like, no, that just doesn't seem like her style. She and I have kind of the same style, so pretty much if I didn't like it, she probably wasn't going to like it either. And this is my neighbor, y'all. I love my neighbors. They're like family. We have pretty grown to be pretty close. As you can see, they have a ton of blazers. Now this one I did almost pick up for her, but I left it, number one, because of the price that it was. It was $45 and it wasn't on sale, and it's just out of season. This little crochet bag was really cute. I almost picked it up, but then I was like, girl, what are you going to do with it? This denim belt was really nice. This was real denim. It wasn't like a coated denim or a coated canvas or anything like that. It was real denim. These watches, y'all, I wanted these two Michael Kors watches, y'all, but as you can see, $39 or $59.99 for this one, and it wasn't on sale, but I did like the tortoise shell band that it had. If it's on sale maybe this weekend, maybe I'll get it. And then this white one, I like the white band that this one had as well, and she was $39.99. Y'all see what I'm talking about, how the pricing is inconsistent? The exact same watch, just different design, and one is $20 cheaper. This blue watch was really nice. I think I had a blue watch like this one time and I donated it or something. Then the next day I went to Goodwill because I had to make a Goodwill drop. My husband is purging his closet as well, and he has a lot of things that he just doesn't wear, so I took some things to Goodwill. Then I had to go over to the flooring place because we're getting new flooring installed. So this is the same company that installed my flooring downstairs. We're now going to be doing the flooring upstairs, so I had to go over the numbers with him. And right down the street from the flooring company was the Great American Antique Mall. This is kind of like, well, not kind of like, this is the equivalent of an estate sale, but on the retail side. So everything is in one spot. So I kind of think they maybe like do consignments, kind of like Fifis, where you bring in your stuff and then they sell it for you. This buffet, y'all, this was so pretty. I was just imagining this painted in like a white or a gray, like if someone were to refinish it. It was gorgeous. This hammered metal table, y'all, this was really pretty as well. I can see this in a home that has like a large foyer entrance. It was really pretty. This indoor antique mall, aka retail estate sale, they had a lot of really nice vintage pieces. These lamps were copper, y'all. So pretty. I mean, like, so pretty. I'm not going to be having traditional lamps in my bedroom. Otherwise, I may have actually considered those. This, I don't know what this was, but it really caught my attention. It was like a bowl or something that was folded over, but the colors on it It was just very striking. Y'all, I wanted these crystal balls so bad, but baby, look how much they were. I mean, I'm like, why you gotta be so expensive? But they were real crystals, so I guess, that kind of answers my own question. But these were really, really pretty. And I actually considered for a little bit. I stood there thinking about if I should get them or not. Ultimately, I decided no. Everybody had one of those stereo cabinets. And y'all, this right here, this vanity set, it was so freaking pretty. The quartz countertops that it had, and then it was lined in like this old newspaper like lining. Y'all, oh my God, it was so pretty. I'm calling it a vanity set, but you can see it has a sink bowl there. So I guess maybe whoever had it put it in their bathroom, but I loved it. Imagine that repainted in white. Then they had like these replica Super Bowl rings that they had on display for sale. And then, y'all, I got hungry. I went down to Chick-fil-A, got me some grilled chicken. Then I went over to Fifis, which is in the heart of San Marco, because I had to drop off some consignments from some stuff I pulled out of my closet. I went over there. I told you I try to keep a check coming in every month. So this is my drop off for the month. I'm going to have some more, but this is their handbag section. Just some of it, y'all, not even a lot of it. And y'all remember me telling y'all the lady that had dropped off a lot of her stuff? Well, she dropped off some more. Those are some Gucci shoes that she dropped off. This is one of her pieces. This piece was stunning in person, y'all. It was so, like, the quality on it, oh man. Then this was another piece of hers that she dropped off. I'm sorry about the lighting in here. The store is kind of, the sun faces in this store, so is throwing off the lighting. But this piece, I think that was an Armani piece, and I think this might be a Chanel piece. It was like a tuxedo jacket. Both of those pieces were very, very nice. They did belong to the woman as well that donated her pieces. So as you can see, Miss Ma'am had a lot of stuff. This is also another one of her pieces. This actually had matching pants to go to it. She's a very, very small woman, so I can't wear anything out of her closet. I wish I could, but I can't. This jacket, y'all, this is not one of her pieces, but this is a very nice jacket. Look at the detail on it. Absolutely gorgeous. I loved it. Then this coat, this was not leather, but it had a very high quality faux leather look about it. Like from afar, you could not tell that this was not leather. It was that great of a quality. I can't remember if the fur lining on it is real fur or not. I can't remember. I really don't remember, but it was a really, really nice piece. It was really gorgeous in person. Now, these shoes, these are Gucci shoes. The woman that donated a lot of the designer items, you can see she never wore these. I thought $450 was a really good price, y'all. And then I went on over to the purse ladies, because I told y'all I wanted to go back over there and check them out. I actually went over there to see if they had that Chanel chocolate bar bag, because I was going to purchase it. It had been on my mind. They didn't have it. They sold it. But they did have this nice Fendi bag. I have never seen a Fendi bag like this before, but I did like it. Fendi is slowly becoming one of my favorites. And you can see from the last time that I took you all with me in the store, they've added some new inventory. As you can see, they have that Givenchy Antigona. I have never seen an Antigona in person, but I can see why people love it. It is a beautifully structured bag. The Chanel medium flap, this was a nice bag as well. This Fendi, I've not seen a Fendi bag like this before, but it definitely caught my attention. I can't remember what the name of this bag was, but it was a very nice bag with the Zucca print. This Ferragamo bag was really nice. I did like the slouchiness of it. I just wonder what it would really be like when you filled it up. And then they still had the Louis Vuitton bag from the very first time. This bag right here was nice. I believe this was a vintage Dior, or is a vintage Dior bag. And this Louis Vuitton was very nice as well. I went to Walgreens after I left there because I had to pick up a card for my son's birthday. His birthday was March 23rd. So I had to pick up a card for him. And then I went to Goodwill because I wanted to take a look. This is the Goodwill that I rarely take you all with me to. But look at this, y'all. I was trying to figure out what in the world is this. It was a piece by Shein, and they had two of them like connected together. This little rolling on the river dress. I mean, if that's your vibe, then hey, this piece right here, y'all, the leather on this piece felt like butter. So I had to see what kind of leather it was. I mean, it felt so soft. I mean, so soft. Now, their leather pieces, Goodwill now, are $25. $25. These pants right here, these weren't leather, but baby, they were nice. I mean, if they were in my size, I would have purchased them. I mean, exceptionally crafted. These suede cargo pants, not cargos, capri pants, I wish these were my size. They weren't. I would have gotten those for sure. I think they were by the brand Venus, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Venus, but they were a size 10. As you can see, child, I can't do nothing with a 10. I ain't been able to do nothing with a 10 in a long, long time. This jacket, y'all, I thought about getting this, but then when I tried it on, and it was 40% off this day, when I tried it on, the sleeves were just a little too short. These Gianni Benny heels, y'all, these were really nice. I mean, these were really nice. Had they probably been in my size, I would have gotten them for sure. Kind of remind me like an Alexander Wang shoe, or is it Alexander McQueen? One of those. These glasses were really nice. I don't need any more glasses. These shoes were cute. I'm sourcing things for prom. And y'all, that was my weekend. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Lux For Less. And I will see you guys and girls in the next video. Bye, y'all.